Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can easily freeze frame in Premiere Pro. Now freeze frame is basically where the video is playing and all of a sudden it stops on that very frame and the frame just holds. Now there's actually a couple different ways to do that, so I'm going to guide you through it now and show you exactly how that's done. So the first way would be to scroll across your video and find the bit where you want to freeze it. Let's just choose here for example. We just want to right click on the clip, and if we look closely there is actually an option called add frame hold. And as you can see, that basically causes the freeze frame effect we were looking for. However, the video after it's now gone, and it may be a bit annoying to get that back. It may take a bit too much time. So there is actually another way, which I tend to use. I find it a bit easier. So once again, you just choose where you want to select it. I'm just going to choose here. I tend to choose this camera option here, export frame. If you can't see this, you just want to click on this plus here. And then you just want to look for the camera icon and you can just drag it in from there. So once you've got your freeze frame selected where you want to choose it, you can choose this camera button and basically just name it what you want. I'm just going to call it 1 and click OK. Now once that's done, I can put a cut here and I can drag this across to where I want it to continue. Let's just say like, and then what we can actually do is drag in the freeze frame that we just got and we can cut it here. And what this will basically do is it will freeze frame here where the pink is and then carry on after. Like so. So those are my two ways on how I would freeze frame in Premiere Pro. I hope you found this video helpful and I hope you managed to get your freeze frame done successfully. If you did, please comment down below that helped you and like and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching.